What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test. Was having some technical difficulties, but we're up now. We're doing our thing. Everything's loaded, so we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. And those that was in yesterday's live, a lot of charts that I was looking at yesterday started to go as projected. So I'm looking for a few more setups. All right, using yesterday's live, gold ended up going as projected. Ended up breaking the all-time high, flying up. We'll talk about that a little bit more later. And then GU went as projected as well yesterday. So we're going to be looking for continued GU buys as well. We're going to look for continued GA buys, and we're going to look for possible EN buys as well. Now, again, this burst up didn't take place until a couple hours before London session. London session started right here. So we're about to see if we can break and hold this next level. And if we can, we're going to be looking for a buy setup right here. Again, we called this reversal, and we jumped into the beginning of this reversal last week. And ever since price was struggling to break this level, as soon as price broke back out of this, we've been catching these buys up. All right, and if y'all check out the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of charts have been going as projected as well. You already know the drill. That you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. Charts, drop in the chat. We got a couple sets we're going to be looking at right now. As far as news today, we had GP news pop off an hour ago, and then we have nothing going on during the New York session. So we're simply just going to wait for volume to kick in and our confirmations to be met. Got a new 5 minute about to pop up in a little bit. Again, we just had this push up take place around 1 o'clock, so a couple hours ago. So now we're about to look to see if we can hold this lower as support. If price can hold 92, 90, 9300 as support, we're going to be looking for continued buys going to 9330 and then possibly 9360. GJ still in no man's land. But we're about to see if we can break this low because, again, if we look at all this week, we look at Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then right now today, price is still just stuck in this low right here. So again, we're looking for sales. The price can break and hold 204.10 as resistance, or price can hold 206.15 as support. We're going to be looking for buys there. Looks like it might try to make his way down. So let's go with that. Right now, we're looking at possible GA buys. We're waiting for possible GU buys at this level here, as well as we're watching here for possible buy signs. Again, when we look at early the beginning of this week, we was going for buys here, and then yesterday was talking about we could look for buys here. Price fails to hold this level as support. We can see yesterday during the news, price retraced back down, shot back down to the support level just like last Friday. Did the move, the same move we went for last Friday, just got repeated today, as well as the move we went for Monday. Now we see it doing exactly what it's doing Monday. So now I got to see if we can break past this resistance level and break past this next level right here. So right now we're right above these levels. So we're about to take out the all-time, but not the all-time high, we're about to take out the higher high right now. As we see when we go into the daily time frame, we're going to see the push up, see the retracement. Now we see the higher high about to get broken into. So about either retracement, or we're going to look for the next entry point right here. So price can hold 3000 as support. We're going to be looking for buys going to 3035 or possibly 3070 when it comes to GU. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a second. Those are doing the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description for the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month, last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Again, dropped a new video for y'all yesterday as well. Make sure to check that out. Make sure it's for the playlist while y'all in the live. Make sure I like the live as well. So the new 15 just popped up. So now I'm about to see if we can hold this low as support. And we're also waiting to see the GU can break this next level. Looks like this low as support as well. Again, with a lot of these charts, we've been riding the wave since the reversals and since the began. And if y'all been tuning into the lives every day, all the charts we've been looking at have been doing as projected, even the ones from yesterday, the day before. And if you look at the Sunday chart analysis, a lot of charts are doing as projected as well. That's why I always tell you, it's not just what I see price doing Sunday night going to Monday, but it's what I see price doing throughout the entire week. So if you haven't checked out the Sunday chart analysis, it's not too late to check that out. But definitely check it out just to see how price was looking like at the beginning of the week and compare it to what it's looking like currently. As far as how we're doing so far this week, we're 2-1 this week so far. We took an EM buy. SL got hit. As you can see here, this is the buy setup we was looking for during yesterday's live. After SL got hit, as you can see, during the news, it broke back above the support level. They re-entered. And then all TPs technically got hit, but this happened during the news event. So unless you had your TP placed in, it wicked up and down. So that's why I just counted when we hit, whatever I said we hit. TP4. But again, this is when the New Zealand news popped off. You can see right here, 6:45. We go to the website where we did indeed in fact have news at 6:45. So again, that's why I be telling you, it doesn't matter if it's Tokyo session, London session, New York session. This is how you trade news and go about the charts. So if you haven't watched my playlist on how to trade news, make sure to watch that playlist. Yeah, I like how these charts are looking. Man, ever since that rain and sand and dust storms stuff, someone has been really good. The audio sounds good for y'all. If not, I'll fix it. Now see if we can break this up. Yeah, that's how we're doing so far this week. As far as how we ended last week, if you go to July 14th, you'll see that we went 6-0 last week, giving us a 100% win rate. And then the beginning of the month, the first week of the month, we went 3-0. So we've been doing so far this month. And if you scroll to July 1st, you'll see how we ended last month, June. June we ended 13-3, 1% number. Then we got the Sunday chart analysis at the beginning of the week. Some results, testimonials. We recap the day at the end of every day. Recap the day every week, as well as we recap the month at the end of every month. And then you scroll down to July 2nd, you'll see how we ended quarter 2. April was 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. May 15-4, 57,097 pips. And then last month, 13-3, 1,006 pips caught. And then the quarter was total 115,359 pips. 44 and 11 pips. And then you click out here, it'll take you up the chain where you can see, you can just click the chains right here. This is how we ended May. Click right here, it'll take you to the beginning of May. And you can see this is how we ended April. You click right here, it'll take you to the beginning of April. And then you can see how we ended Q1 as well. 53 and 4.93% win rate, 180,806 pips. So we've been killing it this entire year so far. You must see some action today. So DJ is about to be able to break this level and treat as resistance. Make sure to subscribe to the channel too, y'all. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go ahead and do that. We're almost at 2,600 subscribers. We can get to that easily. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. New 5-minute just popped up. So again, Ian's kind of still just chilling here. So we're just gonna let Ian do his thing. Again, they do a big push. We hit this level of traffic that's on a retracement. So I'm about to see if we can continue the trend, or if we're going to see a reversal or retest come into play. So we could see NAS is rejecting as well. So if it breaks below 20,200, we could see sales go into play. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my alerts from up here. So that we don't more. We're going to bring this down here. We're also going to keep this one here. The 15 about to pop up in a little bit. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. GBPA is pushing. Let's see if we can hit this next TP. Ian's still chilling, so we're just gonna let it do its thing. And then G looks as if we can retrace through test. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we need charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal and free Telegram, y'all. It's pushing now. Make sure I like the live, y'all. So again, if NAS can hold 20,190 as resistance, we're going to be looking for sales going down to 20,090. GU's retesting this level, and GU can hold 30,100 as support. We're going to be looking for continued buys from the 30.35, house from 30.70. Again, there's no news going on during New York session, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. But we have news popping off in the week tomorrow and Friday, so do keep that in mind. Those are on the stream. We're in a couple setups right now. couple TPs got hit. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Questions dropped in the chat. When we get any charts dropped in the chat. But yeah, this month's been crazy. So I told y'all, summer quarter is usually when things pick up, and things have been crazy literally since this month started. It was good last month as well, but I'm telling you, summer quarter is the quarter. Do not miss these setups and take advantage of these setups. We started a little bit late, so we're gonna be on for a little bit longer, y'all. We're ending it like we usually do. At this time, we're gonna be on. That new 15 about to pop up. Like I said, we had this reversal happen with NAS. So now we're about to see if it can hold this lower 2190 as resistance. We can see sales going down to 20,090 and possibly 19,000. Now, it's already did a decent move, so we're either going to see a normally large candlestick today. The price might reject this level, retrace, then try to push back down. So we're just going to watch and see how it reacts here and see how this candlestick closes. You do a retest. We're going to see if it can hold this level as support, which has been holding so far. But then we see the wick pushing price back up, showing that it is respecting support. And the EN still holding this level as well, but as you can see, it's kind of just been chilling here. So we're about to see what this next hour looks like. I want to see what GJ can break this level as well. So today's definitely going to be interesting, bro. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Shout out to everybody in the live. You can already see right here how price is reacting to this level, which is again exactly why we trade on and off these levels. You can see how price is reacting in real time. We got NAS retesting as well. If you watched the Bitcoin update video I dropped yesterday, not yesterday, what was it, Monday? You should be up as well. Things are going projected from the Bitcoin update video as well. For the past couple of weeks, prices are flying up. If y'all have not checked it out yet, it's not too late. Make sure to check that out. All right, GJ broke. So I'm about to see if it can hold. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts. Drop them in the chat. Look at that thing. Now it's doing a similar move right here as well. That thing just took off. Make sure to like the live, y'all. Y'all jumped in to see either GA, GJ. That's starting to do a move right now. We went over all these at the beginning of the live. They're all starting to go as projected. So make sure to like the live, y'all. Again, we do this every single day, y'all. It's very, very, very simple. Once you understand how to read price, you just got to figure out the overall direction price is going and follow the trend. Don't worry too much about what price is doing at the exact moment. Worry about the overall direction price is heading, and then just wait for the next entry point or the next key price level to be broken and held, then execute. All right, y'all. Again, we don't got any news going into New York session. Members, we're going to be going live tomorrow and Friday during the New York news, so be on the lookout for those links. We're going to be dropping the New York price watches for y'all in a couple hours, so be on the lookout for that. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday. Make sure to check that out if you haven't already. Make sure to check out the Bitcoin update video as well. Things are already going as projected. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Last month we went 13 and 3. Last quarter went 44 and 11. If y'all want to contact me directly, I can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. Yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow. London session 3 a.m. EST. Ian's just taking a nap right there. So he is pushing. So GJ is doing a retest. So again, if GJ can hold 204 10 as resistance, we can see sales going down to 203.60 and possibly 203.15. Right, and then NAS can continue to hold this level as resistance at 200. We can see sales going down to 20,090 and possibly 19,990.